Fusion markets.
Here's everything you need to know about spreads and swaps. In trading, brokers quote two different prices for currency pairs. The bid price is what you can sell to the broker, and the ask price is what you can buy. The difference between the two is what we call spread. This is measured in pips. In this example, pound versus US dollar. As defined, the formula here shows the difference in the bid price and ask price. It's important to note that spreads are not fixed, and it's best to check the website or the platform depending on market conditions. Moving on to swaps. A swap fee is applied if you have a trade kept open overnight. Depending on the trade, it can be a debit or credit on your account. Please note that you get a triple swap on Wednesdays since the market is closed on Saturdays and Sundays.